Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries to enhance beauty, and its benefits are truly astonishing. Today, I will be unveiling 7 beauty secrets that will transform your skincare and haircare routine. 1. Apple cider vinegar toner. Apple cider vinegar is a natural toner that can balance your skin's pH levels, reduce the appearance of pores, and promote a clear, glowing complexion. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and apply it to your face using a cotton pad after cleansing. Trust me, your skin will thank you. 2. Hair rinse. Apple cider vinegar can be a game changer for your hair's shine and manageability. After shampooing, mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and use it as a final rinse. Your hair will feel smoother, shinier, and more manageable than ever before. 3. Teeth whitening. Apple cider vinegar can be your natural teeth whitener. Its mild acidity can help remove surface stains and brighten your smile. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water, swish it in your mouth for a few minutes, and then brush your teeth as usual. Say hello to a brighter, whiter smile. 4. Acne treatment. Apple cider vinegar can be a secret weapon against acne. Its antibacterial properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water, apply it as a toner, and let it work its magic overnight. Wake up to clearer, healthier skin. 5. Skin exfoliation. Apple cider vinegar can help soothe sunburned skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can provide relief and promote healing. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water, apply it to the affected areas with a cotton pad, and feel the cooling sensation of relief. 6. Nail care. Apple cider vinegar is not only for your face and hair. Soaking your nails in a mixture of apple cider vinegar and warm water can strengthen them, remove stains, and promote healthier nail growth. 7. Body deodorizer. Apple cider vinegar can even be used as a natural deodorant. Its antibacterial properties help combat odor-causing bacteria, keeping you feeling fresh all day long. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and apply it to your underarms using a cotton pad. Embrace the natural freshness. There you have it, beauty lovers. 7 astonishing beauty secrets of apple cider vinegar that will leave you glowing from head to toe. Incorporate these simple yet powerful tips into your beauty routine and watch the magic happen. If you enjoyed this video and found these beauty secrets helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your experiences with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing beauty tips and secrets. Stay beautiful, inside and out.